Shandong Unitek Laser Technology Company Limited, founded in the auspicious year of 2022, boasts a prestigious presence in Jinan City. Endowed with robust financial backing, the company stands as a provider of innovative laser technology solutions, specializing in fiber laser cutting machines, fiber laser welding systems, CO2 laser engraving and cutting machines, along with laser marking machines. Our commitment to excellence is evident in our high-quality management system, which adheres strictly to international standards, guaranteeing the delivery of nothing short of outstanding products and services. Given our extensive reach into overseas markets, Shandong Unitek Laser Technology Company Limited understand the importance of global compliance. Consequently, the majority of our products have obtained the CE certification, a testament to their safety, reliability, and conformity with European directives. This not only bolsters our international reputation, but also fosters trust among our global clientele. Shandong Unitek Laser Technology Company Limited are an open-minded organization that values collaboration and innovation. If you harbor any novel ideas or visionary concepts for laser-based products, Shandong Unitek Laser Technology Company Limited encourage you to reach out to us. Embracing a collaborative approach, Shandong Unitek Laser Technology Company Limited are eager to work hand in hand with you, leveraging our expertise and resources to turn your visions into reality, ultimately delivering products that exceed your expectations. Together, let's unlock the full potential of laser technology and shape the future of manufacturing.